If you keep marking the wrong order block, the market will keep taking your money. But this exact order block on XAGUSD flipped the entire 4-hour trend, and almost nobody saw it coming. Watch closely, because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you the only type of order block that smart money truly respects, using nothing but your phone, AI, and free TradingView indicator. And if you stay to the end of this video, you will be able to spot a valid order block with 100% confidence, even if you're a total beginner. Let's begin. Make sure you didn't fast forward this video and watch to the end, because if you miss just one detail, the entire strategy collapse. All right, let's break it down step by step. So guys, I put this video in sections. So we are starting with section 1 now. What is a valid order block? What is a order block in simple English? An order block, as you guys can see my screen clearly, an order block is a footprint of a smart money. It shows where big players like the banks, institutions bought or sold, so you can enter from the same place. To give you guys example in layman terms before we continue, think of it like a shop where someone bought 1,000 bags of rice but only collected 300 bags of rice. The remaining 700 bags of rice are still waiting in that store, right? So that shop becomes an important place. Are you guys getting it? Because it's not possible you purchase 1,000 bag of rice and you collect 300, that you won't go back to collect the 700. So it's a must of that you must go back. Are you getting it? So the same thing with the market. An order block is where big traders left pending orders with price come back there. It reacts because there is still business happening in that zone. The market reacts immediately. Are you guys getting it? So there are two types of order block. We have the bullish order block and the bearish order block. As you guys can see, let me bring out the stuff. Please guys, ask a question if you guys don't understand. I don't mind recreating this video again. Just make sure you guys understand. That's why I created this YouTube channel, for us to learn from each other, because no one is perfect. So this is an example of a bullish order block. It's going to first create a bearish candle and a bullish candle. Why in a bearish order block, you first see a bullish candle and a bearish candle behind it. So if you are going to map out your order block, it's going to be something like this. Let me just, okay, you guys should just look at the screen closely. Let me use blue. So guys, if you want to map your bullish order block, you map it like this. Are you getting it? But if you want to map your bearish order block, let me copy this same thing and move it here. So it's going to close, if it's a bearish order block, be like full candle of the bullish recent order block. Are you guys getting it? So this is an example of how you map out your bullish order block. If it's a bullish order block, you map it in the recent candle, which is your bearish candle. This is it here. You map the zone straight. That is your bullish order block. But if it's a bearish order block, you map out the recent bullish candle to the right side. Are you getting it, guys? So let's move to section 2, which is the 5 compulsory rules you must follow. The 5 compulsory rules of a valid order block. Guys, we're still going to go to the chart to practice every damn thing we are saying. So make sure you take your book and pen to annotate things down and ask your question if you guys don't understand. So rule number 1, it must break a structure. It must break a structure. In a layman terms, if the market did not break a previous high or low after the order block formed, forget it. It's a weak, not a order block, because it must break a structure. See, that means that is a proof that big players are inside. But if it did not break, it is not valid. Secondly, second rule is a strong displacement. There must be a strong push displacement. In layman terms, the price must move fast, must move away fast, not slowly. Are you guys getting it? A big candle or a series of strong candles. Strong push, that is smart money, but slow movement is a written noise. Third rule is liquidity sweep. There must be a liquidity nearby. In a layman terms, let me give you guys an example. Before touching the order block, the market should have collected stop losses and sweep a high or lows. That's confirmed that smart money is manipulating the price. Liquidity grab, no liquidity, random reaction. The fourth rule is return to the order block. Price must return to the zone. because the market has to come back to same zone where big money enter. Because if the market did not return to the zone, that means there's no trade. The fifth rule is instant reaction. Price must react immediately. In a layman explanation, this simply means if price stays inside the zone too long, the order block is weak. Valid one bounce up quickly. Fast reaction, valid break order block. While slow chop, weak order block. So now let's go to the market. Let's go to the market and check out these 5 rules. And make sure you stick to the end of this video because we are still going to use AI, which is open AI like ChatGPT, to confirm a order block. AI make life easier for us. It will assist us to confirm if this order block I map out or you map out is a valid one or not. It's going to tell you reasons. So that's why I say you must not skip any part, even though you are using a free version. So guys, I'm on the chart now. So we are looking for those 5 rules, mandatory rules, compulsory rules of a valid order block. If we did not see them, we are not taking the trade, or it is not a valid order block. Please and please don't force the market. So let's get started. This is XAGUSD, which is sliver USD. You understand? Sliver versus US dollars. You get, this is on a 4 hours time frame, and I'll be holding this swing trade after price swept liquidity, tapped into my bearish order block. So guys, you can see this market has a break of structure. So rule number 1, let's go back to our rule of number 1, break of structure. Market mark a break. Market must break a previous low and high. If this structure doesn't break, the order block is a weak and is unreliable. So on this XAGUSD, watch this break of structure. This is one break of structure. This is another break of structure. It's confirmed it is on a bullish pressure, right? So our second rule is what? Strong displacement. Now look at this massive drop. Even though it hasn't dropped, I'm on this trade right now. You understand? Smart money does not move price slowly. They move price aggressively. So this displacement is a proof that the institution sold heavily on sliver. Are you guys getting it? Rule 3, it must sweep liquidity. Before the reversal, you guys can see this liquidity sweep, right? Before the reversal, price parked above the previous high. See guys, this is not an accident. This liquidity being haunted. Smart money, this smart money collected buy stop before selling the market. Because after this liquidity, some people will be like, market will start selling. No, it has to respect your order block. This is a valid zone, order block zone. But some beginners or quack traders will be like, it's right time for us to say, no, if you spot out your order block and it did not give you a valid liquidity, guys, please don't enter that trade. It is very, very risky. So rule number 4, return to the order block, right? After a huge sell off, market what? Return back. You guys should be looking at what I'm moving. Return back. Price retrace back into the last bearish candle. And that candle is our bearish order block. So rule number 5, instant reaction. A valid order block reacts immediately. No delay, no confusion, no lag. So I have been holding this XAGUSD on 4 hours time frame. I'll be holding this swing trade price. It's swept liquidity. This is our liquidity. It tapped into my bearish order block. You can see the market tapped into my bearish order block and gave a strong displacement to the downside. This is the displacement, like, though it hasn't reached my TP because the market has closed. I'm recording this video weekend, guys. Everything you see here is break of structure, liquidity sweep, OB zone, which is a break order block zone, and a displacement. All follows the rules of a valid order block. AI confirmation. Even if you are not sure whether your order block is valid, see guys, AI will confirm it for you in seconds. So it's just like AI is going to be like a mentor. And besides that, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video and the comment section so that you can start sending me your charts, your order block, so I'll correct you, or if you're right, I'll tell you perfect. You understand? Because the aim is to learn from each other. We are not perfect. No one is perfect. I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. You are learning from each other, and the aim is to grow together. So just screenshot your chart, paste it into ChatGPT, and use this exact prompt. So let's go screenshot our chart. And guys, please bear with my network. So let's screenshot this chart. So AI is going to tell us if this order block is valid or not. It's as simple as that. So this prompt is going to be in the comment section. It says I'm going to pin it in the comment section so you guys can have access to it. So it's going to tell us if this order block we map out together, this trade I'm in, is valid or not. So I'm using the let me just go to So guys, this is my ChatGPT. I'm going to paste this prompt. So this is the prompt, guys. Then I'm going to add image, the screenshot. So for you to add screenshots, you have to click on this plus. Then you click on add photos. Then you click on photos library, and we add the screenshots. Then you click on displace. So you allow it to load up. It's loading. So you click on search. Allow it to search. So it's loading up. It's loading up. It said, "Is this a valid order? Is this a valid order block?" Yes, 100%. It is valid. Let's break it down. Liquidity sweep. Price move above the swing high and grab liquidity, sitting above that level. Return to the order block. You understand? No, we gave this prompt and instruction that analyze this order block based on smart money concept, break of structure, displacement, liquidity, mitigation, and return to the order block reaction. Tell me if it's valid or not. So it is telling us that it passes all these rules. You understand? Conclusion. Yes, this is a valid bearish order block. All smart money concepts are present. Liquidity, strong bearish displacement, break of structure down, clear reaction from break order block. See, most likely direction down. So you can see price is going to continue dropping towards the lower support zone, and which we've mapped out already. And the chart, this is our support zone. These are support zone. So you don't need to panic. You have AI in your pocket doing the heavy lifting for you. Your confidence skyrockets. Stress disappear, and your accuracy become more insane with the help of AI. By the way, most traders watching this right now still mark the wrong order block, but now you won't, because you now have 5 rows. You can use indicators, guys. In my next video, if you guys want me to shoot a video on indicator that can help you map out your break of structure, you don't need to stress yourself, and indicator that can help you map out order block, you guys will let me know in the comment section, because you now have the 5 rows and AI confirming the setup. Best part, you don't need big capital for this strategy. All you need is precision, one valid order block, one sniper entry, and your phone is enough to trade this exact strategy with perfect execution, tight spread, and micro lot sizing with the best broker that give you one install limited leverage for you to flip your small account. Trade with the same broker I use, like you can see on this screen, some flip I did in the past. I use XNet broker, one of the best broker out there. They are fast, reliable, beginner friendly, and the best part is you can start small and scale as you grow. The link to create XNet accounts is in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Don't use random brokers, because use brokers that actually support smart money entries. If you want my personal charts markup, daily setup, and free premium signals, join my Telegram channel, link in the description and in the comment section. So I drop breakdown just like this every day, and it's completely free. By now, you can now point out a valid order block from a fake one with full confidence. Now you now understand break of structure, liquidity, displacement, and reaction. You can use AI to double check every setup to be confirmed, so you won't trade what does not want to trade, and you can trade it on your phone from anywhere. This is all you need to start trading like smart money. If you learned something powerful from this video, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, ask a question. Please, if you learned something powerful today, click the next video showing on your screen, or just go to my channel. I've dropped a video on a full market structure and how to use AI to make money, how to use AI to trade to make money. It takes the strategy even deeper and level up your trading instantly. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now. You guys should please don't give up in trading. Don't give up. Don't give up. Young billionaire. See you guys in my next video. Stay safe and stay calm. Don't forget to subscribe, family. Bye for now. Stay blessed.